And we're back, guys. So, on this spaghetti mess, we're working on that one you're staring at right there. We're going to pull him out. Power is off. And we're going to replace his plate, replace that sucker. So, we'll pull the positive off, the red wire. We'll pull the negative off. Just like so. Maybe. Oh, I guess I need those needle nose again. They help. There we go. Mr. Leverage. Alright. Tuck those down here. I'm going to pull this plastic threaded thing off of here, hopefully. Hopefully I'm not too much in the way for the video, guys. But you guys seen how I did the first one, so I'm assuming you may have learned something. Alright, we'll pull him through the other side. There we go. Oh, this guy's a stubby. Look how stubby that one is. It is only a voltmeter, so I would assume make them cheapo. Alright, so what is next? So we're going to plug this guy in over there, and I'll thread it from this side. Hopefully you guys will be able to see. Tuck that down a bit. There we go. Now, I had trouble with the first one going in, the shape of it, so I guarantee I'm going to have the same deal going on here. Oh yeah, it's got a smooth edge, so you can get in, I guess. What the hell? Oh God. And Clumsy Rob drops the part somewhere. Where did it go? Where are you? Damn it. Ah. Alright guys, I'll be back. It fell behind the bed somewhere. Take two. Found the part. Hopefully this time we get lucky. Oh. Damn thing. So tough to get in there. God, it's something else, I tell you. Ugh. What the hell? What a bunch of crap. You know that? Total bull. Come on, you part, get in there. Don't be dumb. It's not fitting properly because of this edge. I'm gonna have to drill that out or something. That's stupid. Shouldn't have to do that. Oh man. The wonders of nonsense. Murphy's Law, is it, guys? I just call it nonsense. Okay. So, since it wants to be a total pain in my butt, apparently I'm going to have to drill some plastic out of that thing. Which is quite annoying. I can't believe this crap I gotta go through. Just want to change a part, guys. Come on. Engineers just want to screw that up, though. So after butchering, Now I gotta find where I put the part. And hopefully that cleaned out enough plastic so I don't have any more crap going on here. You're joking me. Alright. You just be stubborn. I'll fix you. Apparently, it wants to be a total bitch. What the hell, guys? This is ridiculous. It's the same damn size, isn't it? What a nonsense. Never seen so much crap in my life. Wow, it's just barely starting now. Nothing like the smell of burning plastic, guys. I'll tell you what. Oh, look at that. Just barely. What the hell? Ugh. It started, but will it finish? There it goes. Perfect. Oh, what a freaking nightmare that was. Holy shit. Okay, so the positives on the right on this one. So I'll take the little lens, put that on, start shredding. Man, oh man. Nothing can be easy, eh guys? You know. You know the old saying. But I definitely appreciate my patrons helping support and pay for this stuff, because without you guys, good luck. Okay, the tedious part is trying to tighten that up in a hell of an awkward spot. Okay, that's pretty damn tight. These other ones should be tightened up too, because they're loose, loosey-goosey, not even tight. Are you joking? Come on. What did it back out my thread on this one now? There. Okay. So positive is still on the right, so red to positive. Black to negative. And that's all she wrote. Ugh. Jesus, some of these wires, man. This third one's not very tight either. And again, I didn't mess with those too much when I installed them, so it was what it was. Alright, so voila. Let's grab the camera, take you guys over. Ta-da! There it is, and there's another one under that cap. So, I'm going to tilt the camera and zoom in, and when we're going to slip in a couple more USB, USB, USB. One in there, one in there. Power on. See which one's upside down. Whoops, no, they're both right side up. Look at that. Okay, so Rob, you just pulled out 2 connectors, and because you didn't want voltmeters. Well, these are built into these things, so yeah, I'm just making them more useful because they have dual USB outlets. Same thing for here. So I guess I didn't really lose voltmeters. Maybe these are more accurate though, I don't know. We'll find out. So give me a bit. I'm going to rearrange the top shelf, get rid of a bunch of crap, and streamline this bad boy.